before that I thought of let me show you a couple of interesting fact. See, this is the monthly candle which I have brought over here. Even in the last month, the Nifty has given 951 points plus, and as of now in the month of June it's 216 points. At the same time, we could see what exactly happened in the month of in the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty last month it was plus by 2744 points. Like in Nifty it's 915, where the banking sectors it's almost 2744. At the same time, if you could see the June month, it's almost 216 points plus, but the bank sector it's 479 minus. So this is only the reason for where the Nifty is not moving higher position. So Nifty, most of the stocks in Nifty, like other than banks, so everything is performing really well. Only headwind is for the Nifty, it's bank sectors. So bank sectors is not moving properly, so that is only the reason Nifty is still under 16,000. So let's see how the market reacted in last Friday. Nifty has been hasn't moved anywhere. Where exactly it started, from there it's almost 30 points plus only, 60 points plus only. So as I told you, my last video I told you market going to be have a 60 to 70 points gap of opening will be there, and I have mentioned this target also. As soon as it's hit over there, so there is a possibilities of selling off. The same thing exactly happened. Market opened almost 60 points higher only, and from there it's hit the target and started to go down. And if you trade very carefully, you would have got a couple of possibility profit. Like it's came very close to our red line, so from there it's got a bounce back. From it's got immediately went to our first target, second target, as well as the third target. But this is a minor point only which I had given, and as soon as it's touched the third target, again it's went back to our first target, and from first target it's got a huge support, and from there it's moved higher. So this is how Nifty traded. But bank sectors, see the opening and what exactly happened in first 5 minutes. It's opened at 35,475. Within 5 minutes it's went down to 35,000. Just 400 points variation happened in 5 minutes. Just imagine, this is like over short term market would have got the heart attack. So that is how the market has been given the trading level, and from there every race, immediately there is a sell off has come. Same time, see, from 11 o'clock onwards there is a sell off. So these are the DIA selling, and from again 12 o'clock there is another sell. And but FII had given a slight support. They haven't sold that much, even though FII DIA data is like FII brought only 18 crores. So 18 crores is like their participation also is very low, only like 5,000 buy and 5,000 crore sell only. At the same time, DII got little bit higher participation. Like they brought almost 5,200 crore and sold 4,500 crore. They were in positive mode actually. See, if you could see, these are the line also which I have mentioned. So as soon as it's reached 35,023, again immediately the buyers has come. They help the banks to go higher. And the same time, same thing was happened around 12 o'clock also. So 12 o'clock it's tried to break this 35,000 level, and immediately buyers has come, they taken the market higher level. See, these are the key levels which I have mentioned. There is lot of price actions will be there. Either the price will get a resistance over there, and the same time the price got supported also over here. So this is the main reason which why I have kept all these key levels. And let's see tomorrow's key level. Before going for the tomorrow key level, let us have a look at the open interest. So open interest for the Nifty, it's 17th June. So 15,800 has a huge call option, and equivalent that 16,000 also has a huge open interest. In the bottom side, 15,700 has a huge open interest. So it indicates slightly negative side. So we need to have a look tomorrow morning about the Singapore Nifty, about the trading section. So as per the open interest also, it shows on a downside only. So it's going to be 15,800 going to be the huge resistance, and the support will be 15,700. It seems like market going for the sideways only tomorrow, and you need to trade carefully. And we'll see the key levels. So as soon as it's broke this 15,838, so you can see some upside movement. And the same time, if it's broke 15,800, so there is a possibilities of going down. You can keep first target 15,783, and 15,755 is the second target. The third target you can take it as 15,727. Bank sectors look like this 35,000 going to be the huge support. So as we see what exactly happened in the last trading section also, as soon as this met 35,000, immediately buyers come and they brought the market higher. The same thing available over here also in the open interest. 35,000 has a huge open interest of call option as well as the put option, and the immediate resistance going to be 35,500. So the market going to be trading between 35 to 35,500, and the key levels will be remain same. If it's break 35,168, and you can keep your first target 35,023 and 34,832. At the same time, if it's broke 35,344, you can keep the first target 35,573, 35,718. And couple of stock I took for the swing trade. So one of the bank is like Bandhan Bank. So Bandhan Bank has shows a huge support level of 318.5. so even I have told you to accumulate the stock from here in between 290 to almost 300 rupees. You can accumulate as much as you want, and it's almost trading now 319. So if you would have, even I bought the stock with average of 293. It's still in a positive mode, and there is a lot of possibilities of breaking this 325 rupees. And the same thing was happening available in the in the open interest also. The open interest also, it shows, see, there are a lot of call option has been closed over here, and 320 rupees going, lot of put option also has been written. So it's trading in 319 rupees. So it's easy for them to reach 330. So immediate support going to be 330 rupees for the month of June, or might be this week. So there is a possibilities of changing this open interest status. So next resistance going to be 340, and this month 24th of June, in this month 330 going to be the resistance. So whenever Bandhan Bank goes down, so there is a possibilities of you can buy, and its immediate resistance going to be 325.26. So there is a possibility it may break 326 and give a higher level by this week. That is what I am expecting. Even I brought a call option also, 325 rupees on when the market was almost 320 rupees. I am expecting it may break this 325 and give a close in the above side. Apart from, and you can keep LT also in your radar, so there is a possibilities of going above. There are a couple of good things, good news about LNT, so you can keep it in your watch list. So there is a possibility to reversal over there. That's it. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends, and if I made any mistake or something, please let me know in the comment section so I correct myself. That's it. Bye. See you tomorrow.